Hi! So I went to IKEA and I bought a clothing rack because I wanted to be Tumblr and I have to put it together. So it's in a box. I already can't get it out of the box. This is going great. 10 out of 10. Monique, I can't get it out of the box.
You've been talking with the bathroom fan on?
It's okay, I have my mic plugged in. But you should turn that off. I don't know why you always turn it on. This isn't that bad. You don't need to.
I'm playing music.
No.
Yes.
You can't. That I'll definitely pick up through the walls. What kind? Royalty free? Monique, I don't get it.
I don't know. I don't do it downstairs.
Will you help me?
No, I'm gonna bleach my hair.
I want to help you bleach your hair.
No.
What? It doesn't have any letters at all. Okay, so I take this. What bars do I take? Not the long ones, the short ones. Okay, this, and then not in the short one, but in the long one. Are you naked? Monique, I'm really confused. And then I don't get it at all.
It's not that hard.
No, it is. Okay, so it says you have to make it so it pops out a little bit. This is not working. How? I did something. I think I did something correctly. I did. How did I know how long to screw this in last time? So this goes in here. I'm not helping you with yours. This is terrible. This is not how you do things, but this is how I do things. Is it even doing anything? It's not even doing anything. It's not screwing. Does this even fit? Yeah. This is the first, I'm still on the first step. Oh, this is gonna take forever. Did I do it? 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 Tools work good. Tools are what I needed. Oh my God. Okay, next. It's very not sturdy at all. Oh my God, you have got to be kidding me. I'm off. It took me 20 minutes to put it on. No, it just put you on. So I messed up, and now I'm redoing it. Did it! Yeah, we did it. This is not what the directions said to do, but I'm doing it because YOLO. Bring it around town. Wow, that's much better than what I did previously. What? What? Thing? This is a tube. I don't have two hands. I did it really easily. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh, I dropped it, but I did it. I did that. That was so easy. Wow, I have so many extra pieces. I take it back. I like that it has wheels now. I don't understand. How did I do it so easily on the other side? Did I do it? 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 I think I did it. I did it! Why was that one so easy? I did it. No, I didn't. Why is this one stuck? That I can do, IKEA. Okay. That's so ghetto. That's not true. Don't fall, don't fall, don't fall, don't fall, don't fall. Okay. Ta-da! I did it! It looks great. It looks exactly how I wanted it to. With my bag here and... Okay. Bye, Fwa.